Did you know that nearly 70% of our immune system is located in our gut? And when it's out of balance, it can affect not just our digestion, but our entire well-being. It's no wonder that so many of us are on a quest for digestive ease and gut comfort. For me, the gelatin trick has been a game changer in this journey. By incorporating this simple daily ritual into my routine, I've noticed a significant difference in how I feel after meals, less bloated, more energized. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of gelatin to soothe and heal our gut lining, allowing for better nutrient absorption and a happier digestive system. My friend, who's been struggling with gut issues for years, started doing the gelatin trick and now wakes up feeling refreshed and light, without that heavy, sluggish feeling that used to weigh her down. If you're curious about how the gelatin trick can work for you, check out the link in the description below for more info on getting started. Also, be sure to take a look at the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips on making the gelatin trick a sustainable part of your daily routine.